Good morning. Welcome to a little vlog. How's everyone doing? Just got a little package through the door, little Amazon. How is everyone doing? Welcome back to Southerns on Tour. Haven't been on for a while. Been busy. I've got this little package through. Let's check what it is. Father's Day today, guys. So happy Father's Day. Oh, that's what we got. That's what we're dealing with. Vaneless hanging neck fan X9, 3 adjustable gears, great for indoors, outdoors. Well, you know the weather has been absolutely sweltering lately, so here we go. Who's got some of these? What's the chances of them being charged? Not much protection in the box. I reckon you should be careful with long hair. Do you think I've got a problem? No. How do these work? So guys, if you're suffering with the heat, this may help. Oh. So they're on the side there, guys. Quite noisy. 1, 2, 3 speed. One, two, three. I thought it was a 4th one. It says 3 speed. See if they cool me down. These are ideal for if you're travelling. Like if you're on it, well, I don't know about airplane. Charging port there, USB-C is it? Just in there. So that side's all blanked off. I've seen some chefs wear these as well. So that's, you can see it. A vaneless hanging neck fan. Give it a go. Oh, there's a little cable in there. There we go. Power button and fan speed. Stretch button. That's that silver one. Skin friendly soft adhesive design suitable for both large and small necks. And you can get all different colours. This is the white one. Carry on. Second speed cooling. Silent environment. Well, we'll give it a go. See what I like. Cool your ears down. Yeah, neck's getting quite cool. Oh, yeah, tells you on there. I don't think you can see it. Percentage. So it's on 83% charged. So that's facing up now. The draft is going upwards. downwards. Come back in a minute, guys. Some portable now out in the garden. Cool. Keep you cool. Lay in the old hammock, and away we go. There you go, in the hammock, and you could just relax. I'll just get the old cocktails going now. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know how annoying this is on the camera. Let me just turn that off. Little button there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Little unboxing there. Hope you like that. If you're after something to cool you down, that's the neck fan. Anyway guys, see you on the next one. Happy Father's Day.